Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendesk chat for real-time support. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Zendesk chat for real-time support, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the left sidebar. In the Admin Center, select the Channels option from the menu. Then, click on Zendesk chat to open the chat settings. If you don't see the option for Zendesk chat, ensure your subscription plan includes this feature. Next, click on the Settings tab under the Zendesk chat section. Here, you will find the chat toggle switch. Turn on the chat toggle to enable the feature. Once activated, proceed to customize your chat settings according to your preferences. You can set chat availability hours, choose a welcome message, and adjust the appearance. To add chat to your website, navigate to the Installation tab within the Zendesk chat settings. Select the method you wish to use for integration, either through the Zendesk plugin or by copying the embed code. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen integration method to embed the chat widget on your website. Once the chat widget is embedded, test it to ensure it appears correctly on your site. Lastly, inform your team about the new chat feature and how to access it for real-time support. Now you're ready to engage with your customers effectively through Zendesk chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.